Hi ma'am, I'm Lloyd Lemar Gonzalez and this is my prelim lab exam and this is my system. Masyadong malaki. Payalitin natin muna. And maglalagin lang po ako. This is my login form. Ay, incorrect. Mali yung password ko. marlove12345 Okay. This is my profile. We can choose a picture. Any picture will do. Papalitan ko yung profile ko since ito yung profile ko kanina. Bali, nalagyan ko na po kasi na yung profile. Papalitan natin ng flower rin lang, then upload picture, then we have this, and this is my home since naka PHP to na nalalagyan to. Then this is my about, and this is my contact, and this is my sample upload, and this is my settings. It's all working. Kapag no, hindi yan magtutuloy. Settings pa rin, then yes, maglalagout po yan. Thank you.